Okay, so I check it out. Keep checking out this his testimony, and maybe I saw a contradiction here because he said that Agent Andrews already knew that Miss Quilla was dead, but I don't have ever sent a reaction in the end, so maybe I know what to do. Thank you so much for taking time to testify, Mr. The Killer. What's the meaning of that attitude? When Agenius entered the victim's room, you can't have no idea that Juan Guida has been murdered. But how do you know that? You need to wear glass, Your Honor. The glass? Mr. The Killer's supposed client thought Miss Guida had only fainted. Which is why this glass of Temel juice was poured for the victim. But it's not just part of Angelina's cross plan. Is it not possible, Your Honor? This glass blur the fingerprints of the person. Had this has been found, they would never have been followed their fingerprints behind. I see your point. Zeruda, what's your opinion? Strangely enough, I had the same exact thought just now. Witness, how do you explain this strange phenomenon? Isn't it a waste of time to ask about such a minor detail? Isn't it very important in any way, correct? I'm afraid you're mistaken. Even if Agnes really is your client, as you claim, then your client should have had the knowledge of Miss Guida's death. If not, then that can only mean that Agnes never your client at all. How strange. Yes, but it's not that the attorney has yet to say an objection on this absurd situation. Oh fuck. Fix. If the killer figure out what you're up to, we're in trouble. Yeah, no. Is that true though? I'm surprised. You know you can't say things like that without any evidence. Ah, sorry. Why do you think that the sorry was sarcastic? Because he knew that Phoenix had to force the rejection? Whatever. No, that's what? That's not really a weak rejection for that two of you. Anyway, I'm positive there was a connection in that testimony. The position request for the testimony concerned when the request was taken. Very well. And now I have to buy us more time. I will wait for the time the killer left behind to get here. Just know that the very Octon is realized with those items. Okay, request taking. This request come to me. Oh, about a week ago. It was a request for my service to the night of the accord ceremony. We meet at the bar to discuss the final of your merits. So I can't trust my memory and believe I had made a mistake. So you physically meet your client, huh? That is correct. Meeting one's client is the first step to build trust in my opinion. I see. Mr. Wright, your cross-examination, please. Okay. Request taking. A week ago? Are you sure? Yes, I'm quite sure. I of course had my own preparations, and I was barely able to finish. When you request my services, Mr. Tony, I hope you will keep that in mind. Why do you keep saying that? Come on. Please, stop. In any case, McKenna this time has a very specific date to determine in mind. A specific date and time. Do you ask why on that specific night? No. I tried to fulfill the conditions of my client's request. But this was for why I only had my suspicions. Your suspicions, huh? I don't know if I should press forward or not, but I'll say just in case. Let's see. So why are those suspicious of your head? What did your clients request that night? Actually was for the bear. The bear? We kind spoke of it. And sure there will be a bear shopping figurine in Quanquiria's room. I would like you to revisit that item for me. You must be talking about the bear puzzle. Inside the figurine was a sweet note. Actually, the victim brought it with him to his hotel room. He was praying to publicly discover the closely connected press conference after all. That is correct. And I had not done the job that night. I would not have known where the bear figurine was. I see. But Mr. Wright, was it this man just now any importance? Honestly, I'm not sure about this, but yeah, I just added to the thing. They just now has made something clear. And that is the kind knew the secret of the bear figurine. Huh? Why is everyone so quiet? Mr. Right, I think all of us already knew that. Oh, really? Witness, please continue with your testimony. Okay. Well, at least they didn't give me a penalty, so that's fine. So you physically met Adrian Indus, right? Of course I did. What's that? But I will put a brief pause. Press forward. Witness, we would like you to give us a few more details. Vuoi submit my clients submit a premise? I will never take a request by telephone or email. And why is that? That's because I would just between a client and myself about all else. And the only way to establish that is to speak to client while look into them in the eyes. And Mr. Wright, was this mail just now an importance? Yes, I think it was, since he claimed that he saw Adrian Andrews in person, so... Of course, it was very important, Your Honor. He said the killer had met his client before the murder, then Mr. is mistaken. You have seen that this client already was Mr. Adrian Andrews? I guess so. You see, just as I said. I'm so lost. What am I supposed to do helping here? Calm down, Phoenix. Think carefully and relax. So then, would you please continue? So can there was Agent Anderson? That is correct. When he said the two of them met. Well, did. Then there shouldn't be anything wrong with her testimony. But this doesn't seem to be anything said this time around. You have to draw more information from him, but you can't draw his suspicion. You can do that. You should be able to find a flaw in his testimony somewhere. Talk about this kind of pretense. Yeah. Well then. We meet his client is not important, and what's the point? Witness, please stop stepping my questions. What do you mean by that? My question was, did you really meet Agent Andrews in person? I've already told you, Mr. Wright, I did. It was when you thought of taking it with my face to face that I began to trust him. That's when I thought I can trust the person as a client. You saw that they say about taking face to face. Mr. Wright, was the testimony just now any importance? Well, he said him, so... I said it is. Have you heard what I think I heard just now? Then I think I got him. Your Honor, I believe the testimony just now was almost importance. Huh? Really? In that case, witness, please include the statement just now in your testimony. Very well. The moment I saw him, I thought I can trust this person as client. Him, huh? But we know that was not the trust out, correct? What do you mean? Agent Anderson ran out to be the kind who can stick to the rules, right? Well, yes. I suppose you are correct. So I would like to check one last time. Are you sure your testimony is accurate? Well done, Mr. the Killer. If you said that your memory is not mistaken, then you should know what gender is have your client, so... You would say that Mr. Erenus was a her, not a him, so... I would like to go over this one more time. You met Erenus at the bar and took a request at the time? Yes, that is correct. And that's when you thought that he was trustworthy? Well, I must repeat myself. Yes, that is correct. I'm sorry, but it's an impossible tale. What? Shoot the killer. You have never met the Adrianus. Why would you say that? Because you made one very big slip up about her. So what is the issues? What do you say? You said just now? About her? If you hadn't ever met Adrianus in person, oh look, I would ever told you that she is a woman. Ooh. Okay. Order in court. Mr. Wright, what is the meaning of this? It will specify to the following. That you also meet face to face with the clients when the client taking the request. But you said that you met Miss Adrianus in person. Yes, Your Honor, that is exactly the point. That means Mr. the killer's client could not have been Miss Adrianus. Okay. What a strange swat there, but makes sense, I guess. Is that true? I understand your logic on this one. However, why would the assassin make such a basic mistake? I believe it has to be with her name, Your Honor. Her name? Yes, Adrianus is without a doubt a very androgynous name. Yes, I see. I'm looking for Mr. Killer. The entire time he was so understanding, one had standard Adrian's gender. And so he simply picked the wrong gender to go with. What? What's going on? Try the killer. This could depend on explanation. I think somehow I must have mixed up with the clients this with another. So does that mean that you remember something different now? Yes, of course. Please, if you could allow me to testify one more time. Yeah. Henry isn't just going to spill more lies. Very well, but this time please give us the show and not anything but the show. Okay, we're taking part 2. It's not a member, I took out the request by mail. There were I've been in time where I took a job without having to meet my client. The request was for the murder of Conquista and thought she'd ordered small things. When I saw the name of the end of the letter, I thought the mechanic was to be a man. So you took this job but showed a letter. He didn't mention anything about the letter in his testimony. Nope. Which means his testimony is definitely lying. Be careful, Phoenix. If you break the assassin's testimony completely, it's over for us. I know, he can make him suspicious, but I think we're okay. Like we can do this. As long as he's standing there across from me, no matter how strong of a punch I throw, we'll counter it. Okay. So because I'm just fangirling now. I know that Phoenix trusted on this, so it's also him knows about my situation, but being a fan of the Narumitsu, the ship of Phoenix Azure, I can help about fangirling just now. Now then, let's begin the caustic examination. Okay then. But I say we'll examine this testimony in the next episode. And let's see how things will go then. So yeah, until then, I'll see you next time.